This is currently the only officially licensed PS5 SSD expansion upgrade, and thanks to Western Digital, we're going to unbox this for you today and show you how easy it is to install it into my own PS5. So this is the PlayStation edition of the WD SN850. It's currently the only officially licensed SSD upgrade for your PS5, and it's no different to the existing WD SN850, other than this has the official PS5 branding and comes in sizes of either 1 or 2 terabytes. As you may already be aware, the PS5 comes with around 667 gig of usable storage, and adding one of these will give you the additional space for PS5 games, as well as better performance and faster load times than using other SSDs. Another thing this officially licensed SN850 SSD gives you is a pre-installed heatsink, which is an issue I've seen with other SSD upgrades for the PS5, in that you have to install the SSD and then figure out how to install a heatsink on top of it. Now this SSD doesn't have that problem. It's just a single stick that you install into your PS5 and that's it. If you have your PS5 standing up, then remove the screw. Then, looking at the front of the PS5, you want to remove the right-hand panel. Turn your PS5 upside down and so the disk drive is facing away from you. Then to remove the right-hand panel, grab the top right corner and then the back left corner and then slide it to the left. Now just look for the area where the SSD will be installed, covered by this grey plate. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove this plate, and also remove the mounting screw and spacer that's under here too. For the WD SN850, you want to pop the spacer into the hole marked 80. Now just grab the SSD, hold it at a slight angle whilst you slot it in place. Then once it's in, give it one more push and you should find that the hole on the end of the SN850 lines up with the spacer that you've just installed. Now just reinstall the screw that you removed a moment ago to secure the SSD to the board, and also reinstall the grey cover. Lastly, reattach the side panel by just pushing it firmly until you hear it click, re-screw in the stand if you're using it, and all you need to do now is power on your PS5 and run through the initial steps to format the SSD and enjoy launching games on here just as fast as they launch directly on the PS5. You can see here that transferring games to the SN850 is so much faster than transferring games to an external USB-based SSD. I hope this was helpful to you, and if you want to check out my PS5 gaming setup, including one of the best gaming TVs to use, then check out here. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.